Hi guys, had a question on one of my old videos about this car. 2014 I think the video. One of my charity shop finds, still got the label on it. Cost me £1.50 and it came with the controller. It's an Infiniti G37, I think you can just see that. Yeah, Infiniti G37. This one's made by Rastar. You see that? Rastar. Scale 1/14. 2008 Infiniti G37. Now I don't think this was made in 2008. Well, it may have been, but it was the 2008 Infiniti, if that makes sense. So it's the date of the model of the car, not the date of the toy being made, although they may be the same. In fact, that was the question. How old was the car? No idea is the answer. That's the only date on it. I've put batteries in it. In fact, I've been daring. I put 2 of the lithium-ion batteries in there. It normally runs on 5 AA's, 7.5 volts. 2 lithium-ion batteries, fully charged, 4.2 volts each, so 8.4 volts possibly, which is about what 5 brand new AA batteries pump out as well. So I gave it a quick try and it works. If anything, it's a bit overpowered. The controller takes a 9-volt battery. Got a bit of a wobble around on them. That appears to be some sort of suspension. I'll do a teardown on this in a minute. .40 megahertz. I think that's about all we can say about it. Oh, it's one of those with working lights. And the detail inside is excellent. It's a really nice car. So we'll just run it around on the floor for a minute and then we'll do a teardown, because I didn't do a teardown on the original video. I'll give it a run with the mini camera attached. Just knocked the camera off, so that's probably a good time to stop. I'll give it a run with the mini camera attached. Knock the camera off, so that's probably a good time to stop. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.